Okay, let's continue with the story of the pituitary gland. Next, we're going to look at what the effects of the hormones which are produced by the AP are in the body. So let's begin first by looking. So these are your AP hormones. We want to know what their effects are downstream. So we begin. Let's say begin with your TSH, thyroid secreting hormone. This hormone targets the thyroid gland. And when it gets to the thyroid gland, it promotes the thyroid gland to release a hormone called thyroid hormone. So TSH travels to the thyroid gland to cause it to make and release TH, thyroid hormone. Another hormone we'll look at is your ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone, which acts on your adrenal gland. Specifically your adrenal cortex, and it triggers it to release a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol, which is what we typically call your stress hormone, cortisol. Okay. Let's look at your prolactin. Prolactin acts on the mammary glands, the breast, to trigger milk production during breastfeeding, what we call during lactation. It also acts on the testes to promote increased levels of testosterone. And it does so by having a permissive effect on LH. LH, when this hormone is around, LH has a bigger effect because the receptors are expressed more easily so under the influence of prolactin. So let's say it's a permissive to LH, a hormone called luteinizing hormone. Okay, there. And then we get to your growth hormone, another hormone. Growth hormone here from the AP will do quite a few things. It's mainly known for triggering growth and mitosis, and it does so by increasing the expression of a hormone called insulin growth factor 1. And this is the hormone that then triggers mitosis and growth. Okay, for growth hormone. It's also, growth hormone itself is also involved in, so it's a growth hormone here, okay. Also involved in triggering the release of glucose and fatty acid. These are things that serve as energy substrates in the blood. And interestingly, levels of growth hormone tend to spike. It spikes during sleep. So it's a good idea to get some sleep, especially during your growing years, to get enough growth hormone around in your blood to trigger the growth of your muscles, your bones, your organs. Okay, so let's keep going in there. So then we have your other hormones, your gonadotropins. So we have, example, FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. This hormone triggers acts in the ovaries. And here, its job is to promote the growth of follicles. So the follicles grow. Follicles are the things that house the oocyte in the ovaries. And this is what ruptures to give you ovulation. So follicles growth or follicular growth is caused by FSH. Also here on the testes side, it triggers the production of sperm cells. So sperm cell production is a feature of FSH on the testes. Then the other gonadotropin that we have is LH, luteinizing hormone. This hormone again, acts on the ovaries and testes. In the ovaries, it promotes the production of estrogen. And in the testes, it triggers, as mentioned here before, the production of testosterone. Okay, so those are your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hormones from the AP and what their effects are around the body. We'll pause here.